Continue on chapter 5, function and graph. 5.3, inverse function. These are the learning outcome for this lesson. Inverse of a function. If f is one-to-one function, then the inverse of f, denoted as f inverse, is the function formed by reversing all the ordered pairs in f. If f is not one-to-one, then f does not have an inverse, and f inverse does not exist. So for inverse function to exist, then f must be one-to-one function. Properties of inverse function. F inverse is a one-to-one function. Domain of f equal to range of f inverse. Range of f equal to domain of f inverse. And then f of g inverse does not equal to f inverse of g inverse. Then last one, f of g inverse equal to g inverse of f inverse. Method to find inverse function. Using the property of f inverse equal to x, or f inverse of f equal to x. Examples: find the inverse function of fx equal to x minus 3 over 2. To find the inverse function, using the properties f of f inverse equal to x, f is x minus 3 over 2. X is now f inverse minus 3 over 2 equal to x. Then we need to find f inverse, so 2 and negative 3 need to move to right hand side. So we have f inverse equal to 2x plus 3. So this is the function for f inverse. Next example, given the function fx equal to x plus p over x minus x, where x cannot be 3 and p is a constant. Find the value of p if f of 5 equal to 3 over 2. So we have f of 5 equal to 3 over 2. F of 5 is 5 plus p. X is 5 minus 3 equal to 3 over 2. Simplify. 5 plus p over 2 equal to 3 over 2. By comparing, 5 plus p equal to 3. P equal to negative 2. B. Find f inverse in a similar form. So to find f inverse, we use the property f of f inverse equal to x. So f is x plus p, where p is negative 2. So now x is f inverse. F inverse of x minus 2 over f inverse minus 3 equal to x. Then solve for f inverse. So f inverse of x minus 2 equal to x times f inverse minus 3x. Group f inverse on the left hand side, minus x of f inverse equal to negative 3x plus 2. Factorize f inverse, so 1 minus x equal to negative x plus 2. And then f inverse equal to negative 3x plus 2 divided by 1 minus x. Next example, find the inverse of fx and state the domain and range of the inverse function. F of f inverse equal to x, so 1 over 1 minus f inverse plus 2 equal to x. Simplify for f inverse. 1 over 1 minus f inverse equal to x minus 2. 1 over x minus 2 equal to 1 minus f inverse. F inverse equal to 1 minus 1 over x minus 2. Simplify. F inverse equal to x minus 2 minus 1 over x minus 2 equal to x minus 3 over x minus 2. Domain of inverse function. Since x cannot be 2, so domain is negative infinity to 2 to infinity. Range of inverse function equal to domain of f. Since x cannot be 1, so range is negative infinity to 1 and 1 to infinity. Next example, given that fx equal to 3x plus 5, find f inverse square. To find f inverse square, we need to find f inverse. F of f inverse equal to x. 3 of f inverse plus 5 equal to x. F inverse equal to x minus 5 over 3. And then f inverse square is equal to f inverse of f inverse equal to f inverse of x minus 5 over 3. And then substitute x minus 5 over 3 into f inverse. X is now x minus 5 over 3 minus 5 over 3. And simplify. X minus 5 minus 15 divided by 9. X minus 20 over 9. This is the answer for f inverse square. Next example, f square inverse. So f square inverse, we need f square first. F of fx equal to f of 3x plus 5, and then f is 3, x is now 3x plus 5 plus 5. Simplify. 9x plus 15 plus 5. Therefore, 9x plus 20. And then f square inverse of f inverse equal to x. F is now f square. 9x is f inverse plus 20 equal to x. So f inverse equal to x minus 20 over 9. Okay, so f square inverse is actually equal to f inverse square. Last example, given that fx equal to 1 minus x and gx equal to 1 over x plus 2, find f of g inverse and g inverse of f inverse. What conclusion can you draw? First, we need to find f of g. F of g equal to f of gx. F gx is 1 over x plus 2, and then substitute into f 1 x plus 2. Simplify. X plus 2 minus 1 over x plus 2. So x plus 1 over x plus 2 is f of g. Find the inverse. F of f inverse equal to x. F is now f of g, and then x is f inverse. Plus 1 over f inverse plus 2 equal to x. Simplify. F of f inverse plus 1 equal to x times f inverse plus 2. F inverse x minus x of f inverse equal to 2x minus 1. Factorize f inverse 1 minus x equal to 2x minus 1. So f inverse equal to 2x minus 1, 1 minus x. F is actually f of g, so f of g inverse equal to 2x minus 1 over 1 minus x. And then find g inverse of f inverse. So we need f inverse. f of f inverse equal to x, 1 minus f inverse equal to x, f inverse equal to 1 minus x. G inverse is G of G inverse equal to x. G is 1 over x. X is now G inverse plus 2 equal to x. Simplify. 1 equal to x of G inverse plus 2x. So 1 minus 2x equal to x of G inverse, and then G inverse equal to 1 minus 2x over x. And then find G inverse of f inverse equal to, G inverse is 1 minus 2, x is f inverse, 1 minus x over 1 minus x. Simplify. 1 minus 2 plus 2x over 1 minus x. So we have 2x minus 1 over 1 minus x. Since G inverse of f inverse equal to 2x minus 1 over 1 minus x, which is equal to f of G inverse, also 2x minus 1 over 1 minus x, then we can conclude that f of G inverse equal to G inverse of f inverse. These are your exercises. Please submit exercises at the end of lecture.